All right, here we go. Question number 8 from our 0314 homework number 1 in MyLab Math. Again, we have a bit of a word problem. It says the sum of the page numbers on the facing pages of a book is 653. What are the page numbers? And so what I've done is I've copy and pasted a picture over here to help illustrate this, okay? So remember that if you have an open book here, the page numbers are going to be consecutive. So if this was page, let's say 63, then on this page, this would be 64. Those page numbers are going to be one after the other. And so we know that the sum of these two numbers is going to have to be 653. Obviously, the answer is not 63 and 64. So we're going to have to come up with a way to figure that out algebraically. So, what can we say that the first page is? I have no idea what it is. What do we use for something we don't know? That's right, we use a variable. And so we're going to say the first page is X. I have no idea what it is. We're just going to say that first page is X. But now that we know the first page is X, we know what the next page is, because the next page always has to be one more than the previous page. So the next page is going to have to be X plus 1, right? If the book is open and the pages are consecutive, the first page is X means that the second page has to be one more than that. And now we can set up an equation. It says the sum, the word sum in math means add, of the two pages has to be 653. And there's our equation. And so now that we have an equation, we can now solve for x, okay? So let's combine like terms. X plus x, that's going to give me 2x. The plus 1 is going to want to move over, which is going to make that minus 1. 653 minus 1, that's going to be 652. And then if I divide both sides by 2, I'm going to get the first page of this open book. And again, just to make sure I get that right, I'm going to pull up my handy dandy calculator. 652 divided by 2, 326. So the first page is 326. Is that what they asked for? The page on the left. Okay, so the left page is going to be the first page, which is 326. And remember, the other page is going to have to be 327 because the pages are consecutive, right? Remember, the second page was X plus 1. So 326 plus 1, 327. Whoops, 327. And let's check and see if we're right. Bam! There, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.